Have you ever wondered how much influence artificial intelligence or AI has in our daily lives? As we delve into the world of AI, let's start by understanding what it is. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment, make decisions, and learn from those decisions. It's like teaching a computer to think and learn on its own. Now, when we say AI, you might be thinking about robots. Well, that's just a fraction of the picture. AI is much more pervasive than that. It's the intelligence behind the search engine that finds you the best results, the recommendation system that suggests your next binge watch, or the navigation app that gets you from point A to B in the quickest way possible. AI is not some far-off future technology. It's here now, subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. In essence, AI is not just a futuristic concept but a reality that's transforming the world around us. So why should we care about AI, and why is it important now? Well, we're living in an era where artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented pace. It's not just about robots and fancy gadgets anymore. AI is transforming many aspects of our lives and our world. Consider healthcare, for instance. AI is enabling doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately and swiftly. It's helping researchers to develop new treatments and even predict outbreaks. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences, making them more interactive and effective. In the realm of entertainment, AI is creating immersive virtual realities, and in transportation it's powering self-driving vehicles. Not to mention, AI is fueling economic growth, creating new job opportunities. It's not an overstatement to say that AI is revolutionizing our world. And this is just the beginning. The AI revolution is happening, and it's happening now. In simple terms, embracing AI is embracing the future. But how does AI empower us, the individuals? Well, it's about time we uncovered the myriad ways AI enriches our lives, both on a personal and professional level. Picture this. AI acts as a personal assistant, helping us streamline our tasks and boost our productivity. It's like having a digital companion that understands our needs and helps us make more informed decisions. On the professional front, AI is a game changer. It offers new learning opportunities, enabling us to acquire new skills and adapt to the rapidly changing job market. But the power of AI extends beyond our personal and professional lives. It plays a pivotal role in democratizing information. It strips away the barriers to access, allowing us to tap into a vast pool of knowledge. This, in essence, promotes freedom, giving each individual the tools to learn, grow, and make their mark on the world. AI is not just a tool for corporations, but an ally for every individual. Still, isn't AI too complex for the average person? This is a common misconception that we hear quite often. However, the truth is, the field of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving to become more user-friendly and accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a computer scientist or a mathematician to understand the basics of AI. Learning about AI is not rocket science. It's a step towards personal growth and societal advancement. So, how do we embrace AI and make it a part of our lives? Well, it's simpler than you may think. You don't need to be a computer genius to start using AI. In fact, many of us are using AI-powered apps and tools already, sometimes without even realizing it. From predictive text inputs to voice-activated assistants, AI is becoming a seamless part of our everyday lives. If you're curious to delve deeper, there's a wealth of resources available to help you learn about AI concepts. Online platforms offer courses for beginners, breaking down complex ideas into digestible, understandable content. Remember, stay curious and open-minded. The AI journey can be a fascinating one if we're willing to explore. Being proactive in embracing AI will not only keep you abreast with the latest advancements, but also open up new opportunities and avenues. Remember, embracing AI is not just about keeping up with the times, it's about shaping our own future.